Well, good evening, everybody. This is, I'm going to try this again. Gets too long, I'll get booted off. It won't download, it won't do anything. So, uh, here it is, 5/27/2020. 7 o'clock now. Wasted an hour trying to download a video. Fixed the leak on the slide out, put my tools away. Now I can start organizing. You know, somebody like me, I'm very organized, and when something is in disarray, can't stand it. It's raining, as usual. Can't wait for this to stop. After all the measurements and all the bullpippy and all the configurations in this bedroom, I'm going to go back to the original frame, run the bed sideways like planned, and just get it done. I can hinge it, and I can open it, and I can make compartments. I'm just done messing with it. I need to get outside. I need to build a deck. I need an outbuilding. I've turned my little trailer that was brought to me. Thank you, Brian and Kate. I put a big tarp over it and turned it into storage unit for now, because I got to get this stuff out of here. And in the rain and humidity, you know, I put some stuff out there and I covered up, but can't stay out for long because I don't want it to rot either. So, a lot of cleaning today. Clean the doors, windows. Just trying to get up every morning. You know, sometimes you wake up in a good mood, sometimes you don't. You got to force yourself to get up. Yeah, it's raining. You can roll over and take another 2 hours. But luckily for me, you know, I got that bathroom call. So, boom, I'm up, take care of business. And a lot of people I talk to are having problems with that. And thank God I don't. A lot of vitamins, redwood, Test-X. I take everything. Drink a lot of water. You know, just trying to stay as healthy as possible to get through this. And there's a long way to go. Because, you know, from the day I started these videos to today, I've only been living here 2 weeks. And I've only had the opportunity to work on this thing for a month. That's not a long time. And I got a long way to go. I got to get it livable, and I got to get the outside user-friendly in order for me to be able to leave here, go to work, come back, and everything's okay. So, being able to live here for the last 2 weeks gives me some semblance of how long the propane lasts, how much fuel I use. You know, until I have everything broken down as to how much everything lasts and how much I can get to how much money is coming in, which is none right now, then I can put a budget together. Last week I went to the P.O. box because I was picking up the chairs and the furniture and certain things I wanted to bring in here. And there was a check. $275. Oh, wow. Well, I'm supposed to be on direct deposit. So why are they mailing me checks? You just got to love this thing. And hopefully I can nail this guy down tomorrow. I've narrowed it down to one guy with the whole repurposing business idea. And because everybody is aloof, they've been living this way forever, so they don't need to change, but they really do need to change. You're complaining about making no money, but you don't want to change. Well, something's got to change, or else you're never going to make any money. So we'll see how that plays out. I may have to go another avenue. I'm not going to deal with people who are just inept. Not going to do it. So it's raining again, and it's late at night, and I had enough for today. But I'm happy and healthy, and I'm taking my stuff, drinking a lot of water. I hope everybody else is happy and healthy. Had to fix one of the burners on the stove. That took about 5 hours. Because you had to clean everything out and fix it. I got two burners, 2 out of 3 working. One of them, the igniter, is probably chewed by mice. So I'm going to have to figure that one out. Other than that, so far so good. You know, it's Wednesday. Good. And it's raining. And I'm going to watch something funny tonight because I need laughter in my life. So, gonna make some dinner, get cleaned up. Tomorrow's another day. We'll talk to you soon.